Congratulations on your purchase. Soon, you will be receiving powerful insights we hope will help you to make better, more informed decisions. The purpose of this video is to help you get up and running as quickly as possible with your new purchase. We'll briefly cover the most important topics like how to log in, updating your temporary username and password, where to find installation guides for your device, how to contact support, where to see your captured data, and more. So let's jump into it. First things first, you need to log into your portal with the temporary username and password you received in your welcome email. Let's go ahead and do that now. First, using your favorite web browser, click on the link to the FlexiSPY portal provided in the welcome email. Next, copy your temporary username into the username field, then the password. Click Login, and we should now be inside our portal. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the Activation Help area. But it is important to note that if you purchased FlexiSPY via our direct delivery service, the phone will already be activated, and you can go ahead and skip to the next section in the video. So, this section in the portal will point you to the correct instructions for installing FlexiSPY on the device you wish to monitor. If you've purchased our installation service, click the Installation Service box to schedule a time with our install team. Or if you would like to install FlexiSPY by yourself, click Manual Install, then follow the instructions for your device. And if you ever find you need help with something, support is just a click away. Let's try starting a conversation with our support team. Clicking the chat icon brings up a text area where we can ask a question. Great! There are some other things that it's useful to run through with you now. The first is that the username and password might be tricky to remember, so let's fix that. Go to the Account section of your portal. Across from Username, we'll click Edit to update this to something more memorable. And let's change the password while we're at it. Now is also a good time to set up two-factor authentication to help safeguard your data. Tip: you can access help for each page using the page information icon located next to the page title on the top of the site. Page Help provides you with detailed information for the section you're currently on. You can also purchase additional licenses for your account if you want to monitor more than one device here. Alright, we're familiar with the Account section, so let's move on to the Help section. The Help section gives you quick access to helpful links for things like renewing, upgrading, accessing our knowledge base, and links to installing the product on your phone. And that brings us to the final part of this video, accessing your data. Once FlexiSPY is installed and activated on your phone, a couple more sections in your portal will now appear. The Device Information section lets you see at a glance information about the status of your device, including its location and its connection status. Other sections are Live Listening, where you can set up live intercept, and Spy Call. Alerts, which you can set so you're notified when there are any important events, and Spoof SMS. Finally, all your captured data will be in the Data section. Simply click on any feature and see what's been recorded. As an example, let's see what emails have been captured. Click on the Emails tab. Then we can see a list of emails sent and received from the device being monitored. And remember, if you're not sure about something, you can either click on the Help icon at the top of the page or talk with someone from our support team. Finally, to end this video, we have one more tip. If you're ever on the move and want to check your FlexiSPY data from your phone, we recommend you download our portal companion app FlexiView, which gives you powerful insights from the convenience of your phone. So there you have it. We hope this video has been super useful for you. We're genuinely excited for you to start on your journey of discovery, and we're happy to welcome you to the FlexiSPY family. Until next time, FlexiSPY.